the fourth piece of advice. If you're trying your best to observe your Islamic obligations, meaning you're trying to pray, you're trying to be a good Muslim, you should take solace in the fact that tribulation for you is a sign that Allah loves you. That Allah loves you. And this comes directly from a hadith where the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, if Allah loves a people, then He afflicts them with trials. Because like I said, on the Day of Judgment, these tribulations, these difficulties will lessen your burden. And you will enter into paradise sooner than others because of that tribulation.